How to fix PS5 controller not connecting. Step 1. Check the USB cable. Make sure you're using the original PS5 USB-C cable. Try a different cable if the controller still won't connect. Step 2. Restart your PS5 console. Hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Unplug the power cord for 1 minute. Plug it back in and restart. Step 3. Reset the controller. Flip the controller over. Use a paper clip or pin to press the small reset button on the back for 5 seconds. Reconnect it with the USB cable. Step 4. Repair the controller. Connect the controller with the USB cable to your PS5. Press the PS button to repair. Step 5. Update the controller firmware. On your PS5, go to Settings, Accessories, Controllers, Wireless Controller Device Software. If an update is available, install it. Step 6. Try Bluetooth pairing. Optional for PC TV use. Hold the PS plus Create button together until the like bar flashes. Select the controller from your Bluetooth device list. Solve this problem 100%. Thanks for watching.